This is Amy with TPF, Trips, Places, and Fun. Today we are here at Branson Landing to try out the new Branson Amphicar. It's a boat car, a car boat, an amphibious car. We're super excited. Follow along.
Fire her up. Yeah, baby. Vroom, vroom. Yeah. So, Amy, we are here at Branson Landing. We are not in the water yet.
Not in the water yet, but it's going to be way cooler when we get there. So, here we go. Oh. Here we go. Here we go.
Get out of the way, ducks.
Watch out for the geese.
Geese, I mean. Woohoo! Yeah!
The water's 55 degrees year-round, and so when the lake breeze picks up and carries that cool mist across your face, nothing beats it.
This feels wonderful.
Oh yeah.
It does feel so much nicer out here.
We've got the Princess Fiona and the Lake Queen.
There's some lake cruises over there. The Lake Queen and the Branson Landing Princess, where you can take some lake cruises of Lake Taneycomo.
You know, right now, Amy, you are the Branson Landing Princess.
Oh yeah, in my car. Yes.
How old is this car?
This car is 56 years old this year. It was built in '64.
Wow.
That's right. We call her the Pretty Woman, made the same year as the song.
Is that right?
That's right. We have a 67 by our kiosk, actually. We call him Sergeant Pepper.
Oh, there you go.
All right, so right now we're passing the White River Fish House. We've been here a few times. Get some great food. They have some stuffed mushrooms that are very awesome. And then up here you can see, some of the shops of the landing and stuff like that. It feels really good out here on the water, considering we were sweating like crazy before we took the plunge. But now it's feeling nice.
Are you getting the sweat?
I still see you are sweating, yes, but I feel much better.
Oh, that's good.
Get this nice little breeze coming off the water.
Just up ahead, they've got the zip line going.
Oh, yep.
Oh, there's the zip line. You can see the zip line. Paradise, parakeet, right?
You're struggling with your.
I know, I'm getting all my words wrong today. Parakeet Peak.
That's all right. We're relaxing on the lake. We don't have to do anything right.
There's Bass Pro Shops right back in there. Oh, there is the zip line. We're gonna watch and go down. So the zip line, you go backwards over Lake Taneycomo, and then you come back down at a faster speed. We're gonna wave to this boat going by, because that's what you do when you're in the Amphicars out here on Lake Taneycomo.
All right, everybody, hang on. We're in for some chop.
Yeah. Here we go.
There it goes. There it goes. The zip line.
So, do guests ever ask you about safety? What do you say to them?
Yeah, we definitely do get a question or two from time to time about safety. We have all the requirements the Coast Guard asks any boater to have, and we have all the requirements that you'd want to have for any car on the road as well. Life jackets are available for every person in the group. We also have a whistle, fire extinguisher, and everything else that you would want to have. We're just now passing our assistant boat just over here. If we ever do need any assistance, then the operator of the kiosk can be out beside us in less than a minute using that boat just over there.
All right, very cool.
There's the fountain right over there, where you can see a fountain show every hour on the hour. So some cool water, fire, coordinated along to a song.
It was built by the same company that built the Bellagio fountain in Las Vegas.
Wow. And Cantina Laredo over there, insider tip, we've shared this before, it is a great place to reserve very early in the year for fireworks. We don't know what the schedule is for fireworks this year with all the crazy in the world, but on a regular year, sit right out there on the balcony because the fireworks happen right here in the water.
Yeah, I hope you guys aren't shy. You're the center of attention in the back of this car, that's for sure.
Oh, I know. We need to get our princess wave or beauty queen wave.
Yeah.
Or
Oh, there goes the balloon. The hot air balloon.
I don't think it's a hot air balloon.
Okay.
I think it's maybe a
designed to
lukewarm air
look
balloon.
Like a hot air balloon.
Room temperature.
Room temperature balloon.
There's Pauline's. That's where we went for our 1,000 subscriber celebration meal.
That's right.
How was it?
We enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they send you out with a dessert in a brown paper bag.
Oh.
And it's this gooey chocolate brownie
Here
thing.
comes another boat. We have to wave because that's what we do.
They think we're
They
awesome.
wave back. It's like this cute little boating community. You just wave at everyone and they wave back. It's so friendly.
Everybody's happy to be out on the water. That's
Oh
for
man. And it's remarkable how cool it feels out here at certain times. Like this a rush of cool air, it just hits you.
Yeah, it's like air
Absolutely.
conditioning.
Yeah, this water stays 55 degrees all year. It comes out of Table Rock Dam. Table Rock Dam's 250 feet high, which means the water stays 250 feet deep. That's why it stays so cold. It's actually colder near the dam than it is here, and it warms up the further away from the dam that it gets by the sun.
So all of this water's coming out of the base of the dam,
That's
pretty
right.
much. Yep.
Coming right out of the base of Table Rock Dam, and it's heading towards Bull Shoals. And thanks to that cold water, we're able to have our trout hatchery, which feeds rainbow and brown trout into this water system, so that the fishermen around here can have some good time sporting for some big trophy fish.
Yeah.
If you go up far enough, you'll actually get into the trophy section where you're not allowed to fish with live bait.
Is that right?
That's right. Only the best fishermen can fish up there, but
Yeah.
there's some really big fish to catch, that's for sure.
Yeah, I once hooked a fish that had to have been 4 feet long, but it got away.
Oh man, that's too bad.
That's a terrible story. Sad.
That sounds like a lot of fishing stories I've heard though, I'll tell you. And it's not just rainbow trout and brown trout out here, but you've got largemouth bass and catfish, crappie, all kinds of different fish. You just have to find the right temperature of water and then you're set to catch them.
You can kayak from the dam
Yeah,
all the way down here to the landing.
really. And I am not a very good kayaker. Do you have to be skilled to do this?
I don't think so.
Okay, all right. Well, then I maybe am up for it. Do you have to be in shape to do this?
Hey, all of you watching right now, if you want Amy and me to do a kayak trip right here on this lake, give us a thumbs up right now. Well, I've got to say, Amy, wouldn't you agree that this feels very comfortable and very, very safe and pleasant and
Yes, and so for a nice ride, especially on a hot day, I say this is a good choice. Get away from the heat and feel the nice breeze for a while, and then just kind of relax and take it easy and watch the sights. It's really beautiful.
and learn all sorts of things from your captain.
That's right. Just like this car, it was made in 1964, as I mentioned before, in Germany. But on the VIN tag, it says manufactured in West Germany. That's because the wall of Berlin was still up and the Soviets were on the east side of the
Oh,
wall.
wow. What do you know?
So it's a real piece of history. Also, you can see the castle emblem here on the steering wheel. Now, every car made in Germany has a castle on its wheel, but the castles vary from car to car. It all depends on where the car was made. This car was made near Castle Lübeck, and so that is the castle on its horn button.
Very interesting.
There's a lot of really unique things about this car and any car as old as it is.
So if you wanted to go buy another one, how would that work? Are there any out there?
That's a good question. There were 3,800 of these cars made in the 60s. And according to the International Amphicar Club, there are 300 to 400 registered currently. However, we estimate perhaps half of those haven't been seaworthy for 10 years
Okay.
or more. So that brings the number very low, maybe between 100 and 200 seaworthy Amphicars on the water to this day. But at the moment, this car is the only car that you can get in and hire to take you out on the lake.
Oh, here comes a jet ski.
There's a jet ski.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, there's a kayaker way off in the distance,
I
Amy.
see him. That'll be us, right?
Only if they give us a bunch of thumbs up. Let's say if we get at least 200 thumbs up. How about
Okay.
that? And then we'll go out in the kayak.
Okay. I'm a little nervous about it because I don't feel like I'd be very good at it. Don't you have to struggle to stay upright?
No, that's only certain kinds.
Okay, I'll get the kind that's not like that.
I've been in those kind and they are hard.
That would be scary.
The good thing is on this lake you have a little bit of a flow of current from Table Rock down to Bull Shoals.
Especially if the floodgates are open, right?
Oh yeah, you wouldn't want to kayak if they've got more than 4 doors open.
All right, here we go. We're gonna get out of the water now. We're gonna go from boat to car here in just a second.
That's right, the full transformation. I like to tell people any car can drive into a lake, but only an Amphicar can drive out. So
That's
let's see
true.
how she does.
Very good. That's an important distinction.
Hang on.
Woo!
Here we go. We're ready to hit the road.
So there's a kiosk, and we're going to go look at that in a moment. A kiosk. There's a kiosk right in the middle of Branson Landing by the fountains.
That's right, right in the fountain show area. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
It was great.
That was fun.
Super fun.
Fantastic.
That's for you,
Putting the
though.
name out. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
That's going right in the diaper jar.
Oh, there you go.
All
Awesome.
right.
Hey, thanks. You were amazing. I
You bet.
appreciate that, and we will get the word out and let everybody know.
And
Thank
what's your
you.
name?
My name is Tyler LaPlante.
Tyler. Okay, awesome. Well, thank you. A big thanks to our awesome Captain Tyler. We had a great time. We appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
There's our Amphicar in the background. And
Right back there.
there it is. And boy, this is the
Fire, Amy, fire.
fire and water. And this is the first weekend that we have really noticed that Branson is busy. And it is, of course, because Silver Dollar City reopened this weekend. And so we are seeing the effects of that. But we actually had some traffic on the strip. The landing is hopping. There seems to be a lot of people in town. So it's kind of cool to see things starting to get back to somewhat normal.
Yeah, you know, people have asked us about our merch, Amy. You're wearing some merch right here. And can't see that because of all of your beautiful hair.
Oh, hair
It's all
and
right, it's all right.
purse and everything.
But you can get merch with our logo on it in the description below. You can go check it out.
Yeah, so support TPF. I am here with Sam at the Amphicars kiosk, and he's going to tell us a little bit more about pricing and booking and things like that.
Hi John, hi Amy. It's great to see you guys here. So yeah, here at Branson Amphicar Tours, you can book online or you can come see me here at the kiosk. Our prices are $35 per adult and $25 per kids. It's about a half an hour ride. Children 12 and under have to wear a life vest, and that's pretty much it.
Okay, and your website is?
It is amphicar.org or BransonAmphicarTours.com. Both will get you to the same place.
Okay, awesome. And so you can either book your spot ahead of time if you want to make sure you have a reservation, or you can visit Sam or whoever else is here at the kiosk here by the fountains in Branson Landing.
And how many spots per day do you typically have?
We are open from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. So typically about 16 slots in a day.
Okay, very good. Well, hey, we want to say thank you, a huge thank you, right?
Yes, thanks for hosting us. We had a great time.
No problem. Thank you
And-
guys so much for coming out. We really enjoyed having you here.
Awesome, thank you. And we hope you all enjoyed following along. Definitely check out the Branson Amphicars. You will love it. And safe travels, everyone.
Hey, Amy, we ran into some friends.
Yeah, so we got some folks here who watch our videos, Kelly and Chad. Where are y'all from?
We're from Central Texas, Temple, Texas.
Okay, and they're here at the landing as we're doing the Amphicars tour today. So it's great to meet you guys,
Nice
and
to meet
we
y'all.
always love to see a friendly face.
Right.
So thanks for
Awesome.
saying hi.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
Very good. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
watching.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah,
You
nice to
too.
meet you.
Appreciate it.
Bye guys, enjoy Branson.